Would you like to learn how to use the vocal growl to add some emotion or dynamics to your singing, but you're not sure how to do it? Or you're not sure how to do it in a way that won't hurt your voice? If so, you've come to the right place, because that is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Hi, I'm Vanessa E, vocal coach and singer-songwriter with You Can Sing Too. And I believe great singers are not born, they're made, and that's why I'm really passionate to help you reach your singing goals. I've coached hundreds of singers, and I am a singer myself, and my goal is to uncomplicate great vocal technique and teach you simple yet effective tools that really get results so that you can sing with more confidence, freedom, power, and range. So if you like this video, make sure to click like and please hit that subscribe button, as I want to be able to help as many singers like you as I can. I also have a free singing goodie for you to help you sing better, so make sure to stay tuned to learn about that. All right, let's get started. So what's the vocal growl and why would you want to use it? Well, a vocal growl is it's like adding some distortion to your voice, and it can add emotion, aggression, passion, and all of that good stuff to your singing to give you those dynamics that you're looking for. So I'm going to show you how to add this in, like I said, as a dynamic, but not sing in the vocal growl the whole time. There is a death metal vocal growl where it is used the whole time, which I'm not going to cover in this video because it includes some other techniques and it takes time to develop, and you need to make sure you have supervision and coaching in order to not damage your voice. So for the purpose of this video, we're using this for style, and we'll call it like flavor, adding it to your vocal toolbox. All right. So I do want to mention that vocal growling can irritate your vocal cords or the vocal folds if used incorrectly or too often. So I really want you to pay attention to how your voice feels and give your voice a break if your throat is feeling irritated or you start to cough, okay? So here is a simple 3-step process that I like to use with singers that I work with, and I use it myself, okay? So we're going to start with step number 1, is we're going to use the edgy okay? This is just helps you to feel chord closure, and it's an easy way that I find helps us singers get to the growl if it's not natural for you. So we're just going to go just easy, like on a middle pitch. If you're a male singer and your voice is lower than mine, just find a middle pitch for you, okay? Do you hear I'm not using a lot of volume or force, but it's kind of edgy. It's a little creaky. That's all you need to do. Don't overuse your volume, and we don't want it to be airy or breathy, like We want to feel this is helping the vocal cords with the chord closure. So okay, so now step 2 is we're going to let the jaw be like this, okay, because this is helping lower the larynx so that it's in a lower stable position to help keep you from raising it, which causes strain, okay? So we've got the and when we go into the vocal growl, we're going to keep that shape, and step 3 is we're going to sigh into it, okay? So I'm going to put that together. We're going to go we're going to use the easy volume and easy air blow, okay? Ha, ha. So that is how you get that growl sound. If you want to add a consonant, I just did like a ah, but you don't want to do too much volume, like I said, and too much force or on the note, okay? So I'm just going to go no, no. Say I went a little more. That time I didn't get as much. No. So you see how you do it? You're just putting a little bit of that air in there and it's, you're feeling the growl, but you're keeping the in there to help the larynx stay in a stable position. I recommend middle voice. When you get lower, it can be more irritating to your throat. You can certainly do that, but pay attention to how your voice feels. And like I said, middle, a little bit higher can, feel easier. and not as irritating. But if you start to cough, like I said, that means you need to take a break, or you just feel the strain. Rest your voice, hydrate, go back to the tips that I showed you, because it only takes a little bit to do the and then add the air blow, and then you get that nice, you know, ha, ha. Okay, so you can totally do this, and I love to hear from you. So tell me how this helps you to do the vocal growl, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, so tell me in the comments, and don't forget to get your free vocal goodie, which is my high note cheat sheet. So that's going to help you be able to sing higher, easier, and you can also try the vocal growl after you accomplish the easy high note singing. All right, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. I will see you next time. Happy singing.